Hi, babe. What you doing?
I prepare for cooking. This is the curry meat.
Beef, right?
Yes, beef. And
From
then
the traditional market. This is a lot of meat right here. Why you have so much?
because tomorrow is Christmas, and then when these people coming to my house, they can eat.
So you have an open door policy.
Open
Could anybody
house.
just walk in off the street, or they have to be family?
No family.
Family will come,
Yes.
and then you're gonna feed them this curry, right?
Because we still have finished our renovate house. That's why just make little bit when it's
Usually you make more if your house was finished
yes,
renovation.
more than this.
Okay. Now that's what Tika's doing, and then over here, they're doing like more.
For soap daging.
This is for soup.
Yes, soap.
Oh, yum! And that is onion,
Yes.
right? And that is
Onion,
cucumber.
spring onion. Cucumber we make like salad.
And they have wow.
We are cooking by ourselves in the jungle.
This is not a
Isn't it
jungle.
restaurant?
Yeah.
Nada?
This is not a jungle.
Isn't it restaurant, babe?
And Jaminto's cleaning the car.
Yeah.
He's a good boy.
Their car was clean. Oh, so much flower there. You was infinite flower. There, babe, behind. The beautiful flower.
The flowers are feeling better because I gave them some water.